Hello, my name's Gigi Peach, and welcome to my first video tutorial. I bought a whole bunch of blank notebooks at a craft store, and I thought I'd create a quick, fun tutorial involving my favorite craft, needle felting. Here I'm using fabric washi tapes to cover the notebook. You don't have to use what I'm using. What I'm using is what I have lying around. Use what you have available. Can be anything from paints, paper washi tapes, vinyl stickers, fabrics, spray paints, and much more. Or you can leave it as it is, if you like. Here I'm placing the tape on the notebook. Cut the corners and fold over the excess. For the binder side, I trimmed off the excess. You'll need a thin cutting tool to free up the binder holes. I used tweezers to push the fabric aside. I used matte Mod Podge to add protection, and to stop the fabric from fraying. While we're waiting for the glue to dry, it's time to needle felt the cat paw. If you want to use my template, you can download it at my Ko-Fi site. I cut out 2 pieces of wool felt to make it squishy. If you plan to needle felt, make sure the felt sheet is wool, not acrylic felt. The colors I used are based on the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. I feel they suit the theme of my notebook. I don't have a fabric marker, so I used the template to needle felt the shape. You don't have to use needle felting to make the paw. Like I said before, use what you have. Cat beans. I added an outline to make it look defined. Cut out the paw, being careful not to cut the wool. Then use your needle tool to hide the excess. So cute! This is optional. I want to make the inner cover nice, because I'm giving this as a gift for Christmas. Plug in the glue gun, and while we're waiting for it to warm up, let's glue the quote banner above the paw and embellish it with half-dome pearls. You might be wondering, why not use the glue gun to glue the bits? Well, I don't enjoy glue gun webs over my workspace. And we're done. I'll admit, maybe I went overboard with the embellishments, but I was having fun. I've made some others with different colors and materials. For this one, I used pattern card and beads. For this one I used cut-up washi tapes and Posca pens. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy this video, please like or subscribe. Hope you have a good day or night. See you later.